Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Team NOC here, and today I'm gonna be basically just telling you the basic guidelines on what you need to do in order to join Team NOC Esports Gaming. So basically, number one is you gotta be not so desperate, but like in your videos put like hashtag NOC. Or at NOC, so I can, in order for me to notice you. Sorry if I sound a bit weird, I'm sick a bit, but yeah, just do that. Be as active as you can. If you miss a few days, like maybe 4 or 5, a week or so, that's fine, but try to be active, you know what I mean? And if I think you're good enough, then you'll be in. You have to be from season 3 or more, and basically, the rules are pretty simple. Do not be toxic to any other members. Try to be as nice as you can. Be as humble as you can. Respectful to any other members. And just follow the rules, I guess. Stay awesome. Your editing has to be pretty good. And that's basically it in order to join NOC. If I think you're good enough, I'll definitely hit you up. After all, we are a new esports gaming clan. I am the co-founder and leader. If you have any questions, come to me. We do Fortnite, sometimes maybe Forza Horizon, and very rarely Black Ops games or anything like that, Modern Warfare, whatever, but pretty much never. Main game is definitely Fortnite. So hit us up. We have some very good members. We have 13 at the moment. We are recruiting. So yeah, peace out.